my channel, and today I have some loud little mouths right there. Beep, boop. No! Oh my god. That's Mallory's boyfriend, and that's Mallory, my sister. So, today we are going to be doing a little house tour. Why I'm quiet is because Mom is actually doing yoga. So, well, yeah, let's get started. So, first I have my desk with all my stuff on it. My phone. It's just a phone. My sister gave it to me. That's that. The little lamb filter. And there. This is my makeup area. It's actually really cool. Right? This is my bed. Oh. This is my mom's room. This is the toilet. We have a bidet. You see that? Bathtub, clawfoot actually. See that? Shower. And marble sink. And also, picture right there that I love. Alright. Let's go. This is the living room. That's my castle that I actually built by myself. It's kind of cool. Chair. Always. Oh! Before we continue with this video, this is the mountain meets the moon. And it's really cool. It was made in China. It's actually, the details are really cool, and it's about this really poor country that needs rain, but all it is sun. Next, we have this stuff. That's all my sister's trophies, but you see that ballet one? That's my trophy. My trophy. And these are, look, this is mine, and these two are Ella's, and this is Ella's, this is Ella's. This is mine, which is the highest score. And then the rest is Ella's. That's Mallory and Z. Again. And this is the kitchen right here. I also have a little schedule board. I have a schedule board and lots of stuff. My dad built that. See? Oh, and then there's her. Dad built that. And Dad also built that. Mom painted it. My dad's a carpenter. Dad builds that too. Didn't build that, but painted that in my laundry room, which is right there. And builded that. In the store right here, we have the bonus room. The bonus room is pretty messy. That's all work stuff. And computer and Dad. That's Dad.
There's no beer in here.
That's the video game he's incensed with.
Incensed with?
That's Dad. A close-up of
You're
his
using
face.
words that you are not realizing what you're using.
I know.
Obsessed.
Obsessed. That's his awesome, nice, rocking rainbow board. And yeah, face to me. So guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah. Oh, do you like my new braid? Braid, you can't see it. But bye.